Hello guys, I'm Tony and today I'm gonna give you an update regarding with this beautiful house unit. This unit named Hana is Minami Residence's two-story Japanese-inspired quadruplex house located in Cavite. Minami Residences is a gated community, a Japanese-inspired design amenities and Japanese-inspired architecture with a very unique design blending modernity and serenity. This Hana unit in Minami Residences comes in two types. We have Duplex and Quadruplex. Hana unit is perfectly fit from medium to big families. This Hana unit has 54 square meter for floor area and 80 square meter for lot area. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, living and dining area, and a kitchen. Minami Residences offers peaceful and green spaces, which is not just about proximity, it is about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being in both physical and mentality. Now this is the dress-up unit of Hana. Go ahead and imagine the possibility for every spaces to be used. Take a look. Minami Residences is located in General Trias, Cavite. It has 4.5 km away from Calax Open Canal exit. Now let me go ahead and tour you around and check the second level of this Hana unit. Take a look. Minami Residences is very accessible. If you are from nearby provinces like Laguna, Batangas, Dasmariñas, and Tagaytay, Minami Residences would be advantageous in your end. Minami Residences is very accessible, not just to major highways and public transportation, but also to many new developments in General Trias, Cavite, including residential neighborhoods, commercial hubs, and regional malls. This Hana unit is available through bank financing, in-house financing, and deferred cash. So if you are into Japanese-inspired atmosphere, live with us. Choose Hana. Choose Minami Residences. For inquiries and latest updates regarding kay Hana unit at Minami Residences, send me a private message. I'm Tony Lumen, your trusted real estate agent.